Hello YouTube, Tutagamon here. In this video I'm going to benchmark Watchdogs on a single RADEON 5850. This is a digital recording taking place on an external device, so it will not affect performance in any way. The system is an Intel Q9550 running at 4 GHz. Let's see if it, okay, 4 GHz. The memory is 8 GB with these timings, and the graphics card is a single RADEON 5850 running at 900 MHz. This is a fraps file that will show us the benchmark result at the end of the video, and I'm starting the game now. Let's see the options first. I'm using 1080p resolution. Textures at medium because they need 1 GB. Anything more than that and the 5850 will choke. The graphics quality is at high, which is quite high settings for the 5850. Let me load the benchmark location.
Grown man making crank calls.
I'm not going to start the benchmark yet because there is a scene here that has too high frame rate. Let it pass. Now I'm starting the benchmark. I chose this scene because there is a specific path that has to be taken, and so it makes it easier for the benchmark.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I overreacted. You just make me so crazy sometimes.
Uh-huh.
Come on back, okay? I promise I won't freak out on you. Aiden? You're going after that creep, aren't you?
I can take this guy down anytime, but
It's not.
since this is a benchmark, I want to let it play out
Let what?
so we can gather enough frame rate data.
No, you can hear me perfectly. You need to stop right now.
Yeah. Hello? You still there? Can't hear you. Okay, gotta go.
Oh!
The graphics are not bad for these settings, as you can see. guy is fat, but he runs like hell.
Hey! Hey, stop!
I don't want to catch him yet. Okay, he's an idiot, officially. And this is where I want to take him down. I have planned this this route. Now I have to take this boat. The other one is faster, but in my experience you cannot find it all the time here. This one is easier. Just a little stroll in the sea and I will land the benchmark in a little while.
They're kicking you out. Give me time.
Okay, well, I need your help then.
The graphics are not bad for high settings.
Wait.
If the card had 2 gigabytes and could use the next level of textures, they would be even better.
From somewhere in the loot district. But that's as far as I can.
But as you can see, the frame rate is consistently below 30 frames per second,
Then I should be able to pinpoint
so the game can be a little challenging.
It's building a new CTOS center in the loop. It's perfect.
DedSec tried to attack that center last month. We failed, and they just added more armed guards. So it won't be easy. Be careful.
You sound like my sister. Relax. Make sure I'm armed and dangerous.
Yippee! Okay, that's it. Let's see what the system registered. Task manager first, yes. As you can see, the CPU had a very high usage. This game is very difficult on the CPU side, and that's why I will not make a crossfire video on this system, because it is actually running worse. The frame rate was 26 frames per second, as you can see here. It is quite a heavy game. And let's see here. At least the frame rate was consistent. As you can see, it is always around 25, 26, 27 frames per second, which makes it quite smooth. The frame times were not too great though. Again, we see here the GPU usage, which is not at 100%. That shows that the CPU cannot really cope well with this game, even at 4 GHz. The rest of the stuff here, and the CPU usage again with a more complete picture. As you can see, very high CPU usage, and 850 megabytes of video RAM used, and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.